Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Brittany and today I'm going to show you guys how to apply false lashes. What you'll need for this tutorial are some lashes, either black liquid eyeliner or black or dark brown eyeshadow. You'll also need some mascara, some lash glue, tweezers, and a compact mirror. I'm going to link everything down below in the description box, so if you guys are interested in seeing how I got my lashes looking like this, keep on watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and if you guys have any comments, questions, leave them down below. As you guys can see, I already did my eyeliner. What I'm going to do next is apply a thin coat of mascara on my natural lashes. This will help my natural lashes blend in more with the false lashes. I got eyeliner on my lashes, which is why the mascara isn't going on smoothly. Time for the lashes. These lashes are by the I Envy collection in the style Chic 3D. I got these from the beauty supply store for only $3.99. What I'm doing now is removing the lashes from the plastic with tweezers. I start from the outer corner and gently pull them off. After I get the lashes off of the plastic, I like to see how they fit and if I need to cut them. I hold the lashes in the middle with tweezers using my index finger and thumb. This helps me have control on where I'm placing the lashes. I rarely have to cut lashes because my eyes are big, but if you have smaller eyes, I recommend cutting the false lashes from the outer corner. Right here, I'm just showing you guys where I would cut the lashes if I had to cut them. I normally cut where I see gaps in between the lashes. To apply my lashes, I'll be using this eyelash glue by Sassi. I'm just putting a light coat of glue over the lash band only, not on the lashes. I normally do not use eyelash glue, but for the purpose of this video, I went out and bought some eyelash glue. This was my first time using it, and honestly, I really liked it. This is where you'll need your compact mirror. I position the mirror underneath my chin to see where I'm placing the lash. With the tweezers, I position the lash upward first so I don't get glue on my natural lashes. I try to get as close to my lash line as possible, and I always place the lash in the middle first, then work on the sides. I just wanted to show you guys what I'm looking at when I look into the compact mirror. Having a compact mirror makes this process so much easier. I'm using my fingers to pinch my natural lashes and false lashes together. Then I go back in with my other tweezers and blend them in some more. Now I'm going to do the other eye. I'm just going to let y'all watch from here. these are how they turned out. I really love these lashes. These are currently my favorite lashes. I think they flatter my eyes really well. I just hate that they're always sold out. Y'all, 9 times out of 10 when I go buy these lashes, they don't have them in stock, and it's just so annoying. It, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Thank you so much for watching it. You got to the end of the video. Don't forget to like, leave your comments down below. We are at 13K subscribers. Thank you guys. Thank you to everyone who subscribed to my channel, who comments on my videos, who like my videos. I really do appreciate it.